Alright guys, I just got my generator in the mail. Let's get this opened up and see what's in the box. Alright, we've got a little tool bag that came with a wrench and a screwdriver. I used the screwdriver on the service panel. It also came with a funnel. I've got 12 ounces of 10W30 ready to go. So let's get this filled up and started. Alright, we've got the on, and then on the fuel tank. Get the garage door open here. And then let's see how it starts. Oh, choke. That was easy. Let me get a decimal meter and see how loud it is when it's running, and then when the power is off, because the idle is definitely much quieter. Alright guys, well, a nice little generator here. As you saw, the startup was simple. Just add a little oil and fuel and it fired right up. It does have an hour meter that will be helpful in monitoring oil changes. It had no problems powering our 800 watt microwave. It is rated at 1600 starting watts with 1260 running watts, so plenty of power to spare. Hopefully this review was helpful.